Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to continue the multiplication topic children with two digits. I gave here multiplications. Let's arrange these numbers in columns and let's multiply here. First problem here, 48 into 35. Come on, give the places of this. Here ones and here tensile. Now, whenever we are multiplying with the two-digit children, so first we should multiply with the ones digit children. Why? Because you don't know the 35 table. So 5 8s are 40 children. 5 8s are 40 means 0 here and 4 carry here. Okay. Next 5 4s are 20. 20 plus this carry. Here whenever we have the carry children, we need to add that carry. Now 5 4s are 20 and this carry. 21, 22, 23, 24. We are getting 24 children and I am writing the 24 here only. Why? Because to write the 2 carry as a carry, we don't have the digits here. So 24 here only I am arranging here. Now let's do the multiplication with the tens digit here from the second number. But here we are multiplying by the tens digit now children. Already I told you in the previous videos also, when you are multiplying by the tens digit number in the second number, so you need to leave ones place here. Now let's multiply here with the second digit after leaving this. Okay. Now 3 8s are 24 children. 24 means 4 here and 2 carry. And here you will get the carry while you will get the confusion while you are adding the carry children. So better to cancel this carry before after adding here. Now 3 8s are 24, or 4 here and 2 I put the carry here. Next 3 4s are 12 and you need to add this carry, not this. Why? Because this already we added. See, I cancelled also. To avoid this confusion only, I cancelled. I said you to cancel the carry after adding here. So 3 4s are 12 and you need to add this carry. 12 plus 2 13 14. So here we need to write here 14. Now let's add these products here. Okay. Now here 0, 4 plus 4 8, 2 plus 4 6 and here 0 1. So what will be the final product of these two numbers? 48 into 35 means the product of the two numbers is 1680. So let's do this problem here. 39 into 26. 39 into 26. Okay, let's do first by the 6 and later by the 2. Now here first places ones, tens. 6 9s are 54 children. 54 means here 4 here and 5 carry on the before place. Okay. Now 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 we are getting children. So 23 as it is I am writing here. I am not taking 2 as a carry. Why? Because before places are not there. After adding children you can cancel this. Okay. Now I am multiplying by the 2. Means tens digit here. So when I am multiplying by the tens digit in the second number, so you need to place here. Ones place you have to leave here. Now 2 9s are 18. 18 nothing but here 8 here 1 as a carry here. Okay, and 2 3s are 6. 6, and you need to add this carry here. 7. Okay, you need to add these two products here. Okay, now 4. Next 3 plus 8. 3 after we need to add 8. 9, sorry, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When we are adding here, we are getting 11 children. So 1 here, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 nothing but 3. 3 after again 7. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I am adding here 3 after next to 7, so I am getting here 10. So what will be the total answer here? 1014 is the answer. Yes children, now look at these problems. 3-digit number we are multiplying by the 2 digits, and here also 3-digit number we are multiplying by the 2 digits. Let's do multiplications. Here 198 into 27. Okay, now you don't know the 27 table, so you can multiply by the 7 table first, and later in the next step you multiply by the 2, and later we will add those two products. Now 7 8s are 56 children. 2-digit number. 2-digit number means 6 here, and this 5 I am taking as a carry on the before place. Here you can write ones, 10th digit, and it's hundreds now. Yeah. Now 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 5. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So 7 9s are 63 plus 5 is 68. 68 means again 2-digit number children, and we have the next place also to take the carry. Okay. So here 8 I am writing here, and this 6 I am taking it as a carry. And here addition over on this carry addition, so you can cancel it. And now 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6. So 7 1s are 7. First you multiply these two. Most of the children will add directly 1 plus 6. That's wrong. First you need to multiply. 7 1s are 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We will get 13 children. So write here 13. 13 here only I am writing. Why? Because we don't have the next place to take the carry. So 13 I am writing here. This addition over now I am cancelling this. Now I am multiplying by the 10th digit. So leave this ones place. Now 2 8s are 16. Again carry we can take here 6 and 1 carry. Now you multiply these two. So this one you have to take the carry on the before place, nothing but in tens. Okay. Now 2 9s are 18, and you need to add this carry. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. Okay. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 9 here and 1 carry. And we can cancel this. Let's cancel this carry which we added. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2, and this 1 carry we need to add now. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. We will get 2 1s are 2 here. 2 plus 1 3 we will get here. So here I am writing 3. Now let's add these products. This is a product, and this is a answer of production means multiplication with the 7, and this answer of multiplication by the 2. Now let's add these two answers. Now 6. 8 plus 6 means 8 after we need to add next to 6 numbers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 after when we are adding 6, so we are getting 14. So 4 and 1 carry. Now let's add 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 4 after 9 numbers. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. We are getting 13 children when we are adding till here 4 and 9. So 13. So 3 here, 1 carry. Now let's add this column. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3. 2 after 3. So 2 after 3 means 3, 4, 5. We are getting 5 children. So 5 I am writing here. So what the final answer will be? 5346. Here 5346. Let's come to this problem here. The given number is 184. We need to multiply by the 48. Yeah, let's multiply by the ones digit here. Ones digit in the second number is 8 children. So 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. So 2 I am writing here and this 3 I am taking it as a carry. Now 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 3. 65, 66, 67. So 67. 7 here and 6 carry. Okay. Now here I added this 3 now here. I can cancel it. Here also I can cancel after addition. Now 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I am getting here 14. And this carry after adding I can cancel. Now I am multiplying by the 4 which is 10th digit of second number. So here we need to leave one space and we need to start the answer from the second, 10th digit. Now 4 fours are 16. 16 is 2 digit number now children. 6 here I am taking and this 1 I am taking it as a carry on the before number. Means 4 fours are 16 I added. So before digit is 10th digit. So I am taking here 1 as a carry. Now 4 8s are 32. 32 and this carry number 1. 33 we will get here. 33 means again 3 here and this 3 as a carry on the before. I added this now I cancel here. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 5, 6, 7. Here 7 I am getting children. So 7 I am writing here. So after getting it, cancel, you can cancel the carry. Now let's add these two products. Now 2, 7 plus 6. 7 after next 6 numbers. Okay. 7 after next 6 numbers means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 we are getting 3, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 8 I am getting here. 1 after next 7 numbers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 7 numbers when you are adding you are getting 8 here. So what the answer will be here? 8832. Yeah children, in this video I explained the 2-digit number with the 2-digit number and 3-digit number with the 3-digit number with carry multiplication children. Yes children, I hope you understood the multiplications which I explained in this video. Now I will give the worksheet on that type of problems here. Now first 35 into 29. 35 into 29 children. Okay. First you multiply this 35 by the 9 table and later you leave one's digit and one's digit of 9 product and you multiply by the 10th digit which is 2. Then that 2 products you add here. Coming to next problem here, 230 3-digit number into 54 2-digit number means 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. Okay. And here 886 into 36. 3 table and 6 table. Here 5 table and 4 table. Okay. Do carefully children while you are adding the carries. Add carefully and after adding the carry better to cancel children or else you will get the confusion. Okay. So thank you.